Hi everyone. Collision-free protocols. So it consists of the following types: bitmap protocol, binary countdown protocol, limited contention protocol, the adaptive tree walk protocols. So coming to the binary map protocol, it is a collision-free protocol. In this method, each contention period consists of exactly n nodes. If any station has to send frame, then it transmits a 1 bit in the corresponding slats. So coming to the next one is binary countdown protocol. It is used to overcome the overhead of 1 bit binary station. In this protocol, binary station address are used. And coming to the next one, limited contention protocols. So it is a collision free protocol. So collision based protocols are good when the network load is low, for example Aloha, CSMA, CD, and collision free protocols are good when the network load is high. So these protocols combines the advantages of both collision based and collision free protocols. And coming to the next one, adaptive tree walk protocols. So the partition the group of stations and limit the contention for each slot. So under the light load, everyone can try for each slots like Aloha, and under heavy load, only a group can try for each slot. So in this method, treat every station as the leaf of a binary tree. Thank you.